Hi, you're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra and with me is Samir Arora, founder of Helios Capital, and we're going to be doing a very interesting rapid fire with him. Welcome Samir and thank you so much. Are you ready for the fire questions?
Okay.
Well, the first one is, what was your first salary?
First salary was 1,500 rupees per month
And where did you get it from?
Modi Xerox in 1985.
Okay. What did you do with your first paycheck?
That I forgotten like 35 years ago. But mostly it must have got wasted in some chole bhature or chaat or something.
Okay. Unlike what you would
Because
recommend today.
I used to live near Nathu Sweets, Bengali market
Okay.
in Delhi.
Okay.
So, no, I recommend it. I still have it.
Okay. Then what is the importance of money in your life now? Versus earlier?
Money is a game now. But game is a good game. So, yeah, it's a good game.
Okay. Would you rather have more time or more money? Choose one.
Well, if you say in terms of years left to live, I would say time. But generally, otherwise, our job is quite comfortable in the sense I live in Singapore, so there is a very less commute. I enjoy going to office, so there is nothing that we can't do even now just because of the way nature of our job, which means you can travel for any reason and say it's work.
Okay.
But some companies there or some investor there, so it's all good.
Okay, so it's actually work or come fun happening both together. But what's the first thing that you do when you reach office?
When I reach office, I switch on my Bloomberg.
Okay, and then tell me, okay, what is the best investment till date that has made you richy rich?
That I don't know. But generally, in terms of my job, HDFC Bank has been the biggest because I bought it in IPO and we still have it in our fund and me also. Otherwise, we've had many stocks which have gone up. Like I would have had 500 or 600 baggers also.
Okay.
Like Kotak Bank and many other Z. So it's been good, yeah.
Okay, any investment that you regretted?
There have been many investments which have gone to zero. One of them was ABCL, Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited. Many others have gone whose names I'm not giving, but they're still around. But ABCL now it's okay. But quite a few have gone to zero. And over time I realized that I don't want to buy private companies because there's no exit if something goes wrong.
What is your dream investment that you would still want to buy?
No, there's nothing like that. I have made a lot of money last year in Netflix and Spotify. So even a few days ago I bought Spotify. But there's no dream because I don't play a one stock kind of a model. I buy 30, 35 stocks and hope that a large number of them do well, knowing that 100% will not do well. In fact, 20, 30% will do quite badly. But that is the way it is. But you just have to control it that you are not holding it to zero.
Okay. Who would you be if not Samir Arora?
I want to be a script writer.
Really? Have you begun writing?
I have many scripts in my mind. I bought script writing books also, but it's too much work. So then I thought I'll hire a script writer and just give him my idea.
Okay, are we going to see a production, Samir Arora production coming up and a movie coming up on your scripts?
No.
Not anytime soon. Okay. Then, who's your role model when it comes to money?
So my role model is actually books in the sense that I have read books on every big money manager or Buffett or Soros or Peter Lynch or whatever. And the thing is that because in the 90s there were no real role models in India, the role model became these books. And genuinely these books collectively have added a lot of value without being able to remember exactly which point came from which book. But everybody should read lots of books. I keep saying to everybody.
Okay. 3 key lessons for millennials today and millennial investors first.
First is to understand finance. Just understand what is interest, what is compounded interest, what is dividend, why do or how do these things work in the long term. I think my daughter doesn't know half of this. Okay, she's also millennial. But that is, I think, the first thing that they should learn. Second is the savings. That if you save, it is not just that later on you can retire early, but in between also your life will change. If you have a lot of money, you'll be able to walk away from jobs, walk away from activities. So that also helps. And third is our mutual fund is coming. They can start an SIP there.
Okay, wonderful. Coming in at the right point. But I'm going to, since you talked about your daughter, what is the one thing that you've learned from Gen Z?
That they are not to be controlled.
Okay.
She has no interest in finance. Only in marketing. So, okay, good luck.
Have you been able to get the hang of all the social media, reels and everything? Do you do any of that?
I do only Twitter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Samir. It's been pleasure speaking to you as is always, and thank you so much for speaking to us on Business Today TV. Thank you.